Okay, so you can see me, the chair, both chairs you can see me. Alright, and then what else? You see the ground? I don't know. Alright, so it's come on now. It is 1349, 16 December 2023. Right? Okay. I've got a Chewy box and what else? Okay. So let me sit here. Just got up looking for a box to package this thing up in. So here's great. It's already dry. Yay. Okay. So yeah, I can see myself. Okay. So got a box. Haven't even taped it yet. Let me get that going. All right. So let's take this up. Measure this box. It should be about the right size. This happened literally in the last hour. I sold a radio a few days ago, a Panasonic RX FW29, and yesterday it rained, and like that, and so here we go. Some tape on the inside that didn't, well, alright. So now, this over here. Power cord. I didn't run out any power here, but I just want to show you that this still works. Okay, so it's a big thing. Like that. I take my power cord and plug it into nothing. Right. This power cord, nothing. Right. It stopped. So it will work on the power cord. I just don't have power out here handy available. Sorry, just don't do that. Right? So it works. Right? That there, and turn this off. This is the power button. That's the radio. This is the radio. And this does make a slight noise, but it's got a new gear. That's what I wanted to say. I replaced the gear in this. This has the famous orange gear that crumbles. And I bought 3 gears in anticipation of having the gear to fit into another model, and I never got around to it. I have about 3 or 4 other different models. Like I have a Magnavox 506. And I have some other Magnavox models. I have the D8643, which is similar to the 8614. And then I have the one that is the 8514. And I have some other I have about 6 or 8 Magnavox models. This is the second one I've had of this. And when I got this, the cassette deck didn't work because the gear was broken. So I bought the gears, 3D printed from somebody, and I got them and I put one in, and it makes a slight noise, but when you play the tape, or when it's playing without any, okay, when you play it, let's see here. Well, that's normal when it's just idling or playing. Let's see here. Stop. So now it makes a little bit of noise, but when you're actually playing something, it goes away. Where's the volume on this? Oh, I'm sorry. I have it on radio, so. And another cue. And it'll go that way. So I just showing it does that, and the tape kind of works. and the radio works and like that. All right, so. Stopping this, I am taking this out. I'm not giving up my tape. I've done that before in the past. So put this way over there. All right. Close this up. I'm going to come to the back. This does have a battery cover, but the hard to explain. You just do it like this, so you can understand how I put the batteries in here. I have these folded over at the ends here, so they don't stick all the way. And I just unpeel that off, and then you still have to unclick them. Wait, well, get this up here. Alright, so this up, get that up, and unclick it, and it slides like that. These three little tabs, they're broke off with this plastic door, but these will clip, but it just needs those anyway. So if you really want to not have to deal with the tape like I do, just get another door, make sure it has the three little tabs on there. The tabs are not broke off on the unit itself, just on the cover. I don't know why I did that, but anyway, so that's how I've been carrying this around. But I'm getting out my Zentner batteries, okay, those way over here. Not shipping these things off. These are very hard to come by, but they're well worth it if you can get them. Alright, so yeah. Well, there we go. That over there. This over here. There. This here. Now I'm going to get the power cord. The power cord is going to go like this, like that, like that. Power cord in the box, right? Then we're going to stack up here, and you hear that? It clicked right in place. Put the tape back there, and it's not going anywhere. So now this will fit in here with just room to spare. Okay, and so I want to, how do I want to bubble this? Okay, so it'll fit like that. So we've got, about an inch on either side, and 2 inches or so at top and bottom. And then we have enough depth that way, so if we go around it, let's do that. Let's go around the box. All right, so get this out. This is my last roll of this stuff. I need to go to the store and get some more of this stuff. Okay. So, get this out here. Alright, so go 2 times around with this, right? Let's start there. Alright, so, yep. I say 2 times, right? 2 times around this way. Please, we'll go 3. Let's go 1 more. There we go. And then bring this up. I'm not going to have enough bubble wrap. I'll just have just enough for this box. That's it, nothing else. All right, so. Tape. People's out here that just use mountains of tape and it's like, oh, I just need to hold it in place. That's it. To use this, there's a leaf for you. Now, I want to get this out of the way some more. And then there's the top of it. Okay. So, alright, we will do this. Well, okay, that's fine. We'll just fill it in with other stuff. Okay, so that there. Okay. Alright, so let's mount it down. Now I will use tape to hold that in place. So now that this is all we need. Okay, so now let's see if I can walk this across. Yeah, there we go. Actually, just take it out. Put the whole thing up. There we go. Yeah. Because I'm going to use some other filler. That's good. All right. So. And then scissors. Remember, you need some other. Use some egg cartons for the top and bottom. How about? All right, so got that off, right? So. There we go. Now we will just put this whole happy thing in the box. Oh, that's real good. Yeah. Now, I'm taking you to the garage, but okay, so yeah, that'll fit like that. That's great on there. We just need to get some egg cartons. That'll work. Okay, I'm back. Got some egg cartons going on. Okay. We walked all the way around the box, huh? Okay, so just have the camera here. Move the camera, how about just get it over there and yeah, there you go. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, so it's in the box, right? So now we're just gonna some of these. Just that there. That. Yeah. Okay. Don't want that pushing out too far. Actually, that's not gonna. Maybe I'll just use the other pieces. Yeah, use those. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Right, so close that up. Close this up. Yep. Okay, nicely packed. Yep. Okay, well that's the end of this video. I just got to get my tape and let's see. Well, you know what? Let's do it like this. Let's take one circle around off of this. That could be just a bit. too much, right? That's what it was. I'll do it there. How about? There we go. I have the box closed just right. Better to have it a little bit less. Let's put this back in here, right? Get your curtains out again. So, that. So, yeah, okay. We'll put these back up on the top. That one, this one, okay. And then, oh yeah, that's better. Okay, yep. This on the bottom here. That one there. This one here. Okay, and then, yeah, that fits better. Okay. Yeah, they don't like it. So this is what, a 2417 by 8. 2417 by 8. See that right there? So, okay, so we will happily take this up. Let's just like a big claw popper up here. Come around past here. To mail off today. It's not going far, it's only going to Houston, but oh well. Yeah. Oh, I gave it away. Okay. Right. I make these videos because I like to prove to people that now I didn't put this on Facebook. I did the other one inside earlier today with Facebook, but this is just a YouTube video, and I'll upload this later because I already shot a reel with this, and I shot another individual video of just it. Okay, so now, yeah, and let's go one more time around, right? Okay, yeah, let's go around it. Okay. You've had fun? Have you had fun? Anyway, it's my It was working, and now it's, anyway, working, it's still working. It's going to be working when he gets it, and that's all we know, right? So, okay. Good day, bye-bye. Gotta go. Thanks for watching, and all that, right? Just see ya. Gotta go. Post office now. Bye-bye.